Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be learning how to make an elastic waistband with rope. So please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new here, and don't forget to drop a beautiful comment. So let's start. So right here, I have my fabric and elastic. So for this elastic, I'll be using about the elastic of about 3 inches because of I want it to be wide. And for the fabric, I meant I had to cut double of my actual waist from my trousers. Then for the elastic, I remove 3 inches from it actual waist. So here for this part, we'll just go ahead to sew here by half inches, and I also want to do the same thing for the elastic. I'll pick this. So this okay, so I've done that for both the elastic and the fabric, and what I want to do for the fabric part is that I want to close the part that we sewed by half inches, so that when we are passing our rope it won't be coming out. So you just want to go to your sewing machine and top stitch just like I have done here, and the next thing you want to do now is to sew your elastic to it. So I just want to go ahead like I have it right here. I'll fold it and place my elastic around it. So I think while trying to do this, it was kind of like shaky, but you could just like try to maybe iron it. But I don't think you will need to iron since it's still going to stretch. So like what I have here, then I'll just go ahead, place my elastic inside and carefully try to sew around, so and please while sewing, don't ensure the elastic does not tangle, especially if you're like it does not turn. So if the elastic is smaller than the fabric and it's about 1 inch. So this is what I have after doing that, and at this point you could actually use it like this, but I don't know, I'll still want to like top stitch on it. And so the next thing we want to do now is to sew on it and mark what we want to do. So I would just want to divide this into 3 parts, and irrespective of how you're dividing into 3 parts, ensure you have about half an inches in the middle part, so that while passing your rope it will be easy for the rope to pass and there'll be no stress. So this is it. So while sewing, you just want to go ahead to stretch so that you get the feel of the, so that it will be able to like draw well. So I'll just go ahead do this for both. So I'm just going to be sewing 2 times on this. So if yours is the width of your band is wider than this, you could do more than 2, but irrespective of how many you're going to do, just ensure that there is a space of half inches in the middle, so that while passing your rope it will be easy for you. I'll just go ahead to sew this, and you could see as how I was sewing it, I was ensuring to draw so that I could get a good look of it, and so that it does not just like stay anyhow. So after this, the next thing, we're almost ready at this point. So I have my rope here, and the next thing I want to do is to pass out. So that point where we sewed that part, you go to look for it and use your razor blade to just open it, so that the hole you have there, you could use it to pass. And please, while opening, ensure not to open beyond the midpoint, the space in the midpoint. So after doing this, you just want to pass your rope round and finish till you're done. So please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to drop a comment. Thank you for watching.